Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. So it's you, Luis Ames. You wished for NEFFEX song called Be Somebody featuring Roses. So you wish for songs here, and I really appreciate that. So thank you, Luis Ames, and NEFFEX is always welcomed here on Growing Guitar. So let's take a look at this nice song. We have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. And we have this strumming pattern. We're going to look at 2 different versions of it. One is more with the rhythm here, with the claps, and the other one is more of the strumming pattern there. So let's first start with the chords, and no need for any cape on this one, so we're going clean there. Starting with the D minor, that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We'll move on to the G minor. That's a bar chord, so I place a bar over all strings on the 3rd fret, and then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. We'll continue with the bar chords here. The next one is the A sharp sus chord. That's a bar on the 1st fret. You bar all strings except from the last E here in the bass, so 5 strings from bottom up. And then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. And the final chord is the F. Still a bar chord, still 1st fret. This time you bar all strings, okay? And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. All right, so there you have the chord progression: D minor, G minor, A sharp, and F. Okay, so we'll go with the slower strumming pattern first, and this is more emphasized on the beat there. All right, so let's grab the D minor, and one strumming around will be like this. Okay, so it's down, clap, down, down, clap, down. That is 1 round. So down, clap, down, down, clap, down. So you can start with down, clap, down, and then down, clap, down. So that is pretty much the rhythm. A couple rounds of it will sound like this. Alright, but we need to change chords here, and you're gonna play 1 strumming around per chord in the order we learned the chords. So D minor, G, A sharp, and F. It goes like this. You can actually play like this from the beginning till the very end. In the end here, you can have this optional notes if you want. I like them. They could be a little bit hard and tricky to get in there since it goes pretty fast. And they comes combined with the F chord, okay? So when you come to the final F there, the 4th chord, so you're gonna play like this. Till this part, so down, clap, down, down. You're gonna skip the clap and final down there. Instead, you're gonna play these notes. It goes like that, okay? So that is if you really play them all. And it's on the G string, 2nd G, 3rd G, 2nd G, and open G. What I do here, I actually just hit 1 time on the 1st note there, the 2nd G, with my picking. And then I let my fretboard hand, my left hand, do all the work there. So I hammer on the 3rd, I pull off to get the 2nd, and then I pull off again to get the open G. Okay, so I just hit once there in the 1st. And in a fast motion, goes like this, okay? So it could be a little tricky to get that, especially if you combine it with strumming and then you need to find a string and get everything right there. If you don't do that, you just go with the full strumming patterns there for the F and fulfill that, and then you just go round and round. This is just optional. It could be great. And if you really want to take like have an extra moment there for finding the string there, it's enough if you just play with the strumming on F, down, clap, down, and then you take an extra moment there to find the G string, the second fret there, and be ready. So like this. Okay, so you don't have to go 2 downs there, so that gives a little bit more pressure to it. But if you just go with down, clap down, you have 1 millisecond extra there to get right with this notes if you want. Okay, so this is just optional. That is one version of playing with this string pattern. The next one is more emphasized on actual strumming here, and it will work a little more with your strumming hand. One string around goes like this. Okay, so if you go to D minor again, you have down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That is one round, okay? So down, up, down. You play that for 2 times, so down, up, down, down, up, down. And then you end with down, up, down, up. You could add a clap also after the first down, up, down, okay? So instead of doing the down there, you could add a clap if you want. Not necessarily what I would do, but I would play either the clap version I showed you before or this one. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And you're gonna play one of these strumming rounds as well for each and every chord. And the same goes there if you want to add the notes there in the extra F there. You're gonna play down, up, down, down, up, down. And then instead of playing down, up in the end, you added the notes on the G string, same one. So one string round, one chord progression round with strumming of this one version here goes like this. And the final notes. All right, so that pretty much covers NEFFEX Be Somebody featuring ROZES. A nice choice there. Thank you, Luis Amez. And for all you NEFFEX fans, feel free to leave comments on future wishes here on Gordon Guitar. I'll bring them up for you on Wednesdays, and perhaps it's your song. So till next time, guys and girls, play tuned.